Hey guys, welcome to another episode of REM Bus. I'm your host, Kaz, and we got, as usual, we got Callum with us.
Hey everyone.
Another day. Hello, Callum. Welcome to the show. It's another great morning here. It's down under, so we're coming to you live from Australia. So, guys, I thought today markets obviously massive fluctuations between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and parallel for REM as well. So I reckon today, Callum, why don't we change a little bit? Let's start from the graphs first and see where the market heading, and then we'll have another chat along with that.
Go
Over to you,
good,
Callum.
guys. Yeah, good. Thanks, Kaz. Look, guys, a very good morning from Australia to you. And of course, guys, welcome to the show again. And you know what? I really want to jump into the market straight away. Thanks for that opportunity, Kaz. Let's go to the markets, guys. Okay, so the market's basically showing stability again. Okay, you can see the reddish candles here, reddish dips here. But guys, again, I'm happy that it's stable and staying in one place. And you know what? When it bleeds, when Bitcoin bleeds, everything else bleeds. So, you know what? It's just we had a good run for the last few days. And then you know what? It's a small change. Sometimes these sort of scenarios, guys, opportunity knocks the door. So when opportunity knocks the door, you guys need to take that opportunity. So look, guys, there are some opportunities here. If you can see, I'm not recommending anything. I'm just saying, look at this. And if you think that the altcoin season is not yet there, then it's a good time to pick some altcoins, right? And it's a good time to pick something like, I don't know, REM as well. I want to show you this straight away. Guys, dips always assist for us to make money. This is a great time to actually get something like a microcap like REM at MEXC, REM USDT chart is here. Guys, it was in 3 something, gone down, came up and stable. This is a great time to purchase your REM and stack that REM so we can watch it flowing through. For example, look at this, guys. This is the goal, $1. So something like say 90 cents or something. This pump can happen anytime now. With the altcoin season, it may go up. And this is what we are looking at, the all-time highs. So guys, given that information, I want to go back to the Bitcoin chart again. So this is basically, guys, this is our project REM. So it's REM USDT. You can find it in MEXC. And we are bound to give certain information to MEXC and make sure everything's functioning properly. And MEXC is doing its well to make sure that we got proper projects running in MEXC. So guys, you see a message? Don't freak out. We're here. You can ask any questions. It's all good, right? So let's go to USDT chart for today. This is the daily USDT chart. Each candle represents daily volumes, daily impacts. And you know what? Let's go to say 2-hour chart. This is what we were seeing. There was a dip from here to here, which is around 8%. So it's a change of 8%. Now the story is, guys, if you go here again and change this to say 4-hour chart, you can see it went up. And so you know what, this is just a snapshot of time, and you would see that when you put the weekly chart or daily chart, snapshot of time. So we've seen these candles, guys. We've seen these red candles. This is just a small red candle. So you know what, keep your eyes on the ball. So don't give up and don't sell early. But you know what, guys, when not in red candles, but whenever you see a green candle, it's a good opportunity for you guys to take money, right? Get some profit out of, especially out of Bitcoin, guys. I know you guys love Bitcoin, to hold on to Bitcoin and everything. Yep. But if you sell something here and then let me take you up here. All right, so let's go monthly probably. Right, I want to show you this dip. When we had the 2021, 2022 peaks, if you got some profit out of this, and if you're in the market, you got some profit out of this, you can buy as twice as much Bitcoin for right here. Just say someone sold his Bitcoin right, not on the top. Let's say somewhere here, right? Let's come down, right? Okay, let's say they didn't touch the bottom, but somewhere here. What is that? You can get a 50% discount in buying Bitcoin. So you sold something up here and you get 50% discount. Say for example, say you got 55,000 out of selling one Bitcoin. You have like few Bitcoins. Let's say you're rich. 55,000 you took off. And guess what, guys? You put that 55,000 right down the bottom here. You buy a Bitcoin for 32,000. What is that? You can buy something like, 1.5 Bitcoins just by selling and taking profit here. So by the time you go up here, you gain 1.5 Bitcoins, not just one Bitcoin. This is the logic, guys. This is the logic you need to, and you can even purchase, microcaps like REM or Ethereum or other things as well. You go to BTC, USDT, and so I want to show you Ethereum chart. So let's go to ETH. This is the Coinbase chart for Ethereum. And you can see, again, with Bitcoin, there's a dip. But if you take the holistic long point of view, that's gone up. So stay tuned, guys. Don't be scared on anything. Bitcoin dominance. Let me again do this. Daily chart going a little bit up. So, this doesn't correlate with, remember, with Bitcoin. It's just Bitcoin dominance compared. So Bitcoin compared to, I say again, Bitcoin compared to the whole market, going up a little bit. All right. So let's put that, say, 2 hours chart. See, this is what I'm talking about from here to here. An Ethereum USDT chart, sorry, Ethereum dominance chart tell us. And let's get the Ethereum dominance. It's gone down a little bit, right? That's why Bitcoin went up, because you see, Ethereum dominance is low, Bitcoin dominance is high, right? This is what you guys need to think. Now, I want to take you to a different indicator as well. This is the fear and greed indicator index, and probably most of you guys know. Today's fear and greed index, let's refresh this again. Okay, so today's fear and greed index is 53. Where does it fall over here? That's what you need to think, right? Today's, it says neutral, which is 56 something, right? See, extreme fear is reflected in 15. Extreme greed is reflected in 88. So if that's the case in yearly charts, what you see today is a 53, which is a neutral zone, right? Plus, yesterday was neutral, last week was greed, and last week greed. You see, greed comes up whenever the market is like in bullish, greenish, positive mode. So today's neutral, guys. It's not like a extreme fear or extreme greed on the spot. So I just want to show you this so you have an understanding of where we stand, right? That's that. Now, guys, as I always say, right, keep in touch, and we will go through these charts and to give you more idea why you should keep yourself composed, keep yourself in a sort of a restricted mode rather than selling in a bad moment and then regret. Oh my God, why did I sell that much, right? But something like Bitcoin that has gone from certain amount to a certain level, which is like few 10 times or something X. Guys, profit taking is really important. Distributing that to other assets like XRP, you know, Cardano, or even Solana, or something down the bottom, Link or something like that is really good. That's a high cap. Then you can go to something like a microcap like REM, get some small amount, not huge amounts, but microcaps can be a huge potential when you put small amounts, right? So $10, $100, 50, 10,000, whatever you put, you can get a lot out of a microcap. So think of that as well. Giving those thoughts, I would like to get Kaz involved. Kaz, what do you think?
No, that's really good information, Callum. So my question is this, right? If a person, like, a lot of retail customers look in the fear and greed index for both Ethereum and Bitcoin. Obviously, last few weeks, it was in high 70s, right? 60s, and today it's on roughly about 53 or something in the middle. Is that, like I said, yes, maybe some people get scared of that. It's not going to happen. Altcoin season might not come, but is that the truth? I don't think so. What are your opinion on that?
No, I don't believe coin season is finished. And that's why I try even Kaz to show within the charts the long-term perspective. If we can see a huge dip in the long-term perspective, we are going towards the bear market, and that's not the indication at this point. So we can only predict this point, and we don't know what's future holds for us. But I can tell you one thing: we haven't seen the altcoin season. We haven't seen the all-time highs for Ethereum. And that's what we want at this stage. We want at this stage the Ethereum to perform in this point, and Bitcoin to be stable. Number one, Bitcoin to be stable, Ethereum to pump up, going above the all-time highs, and then of course other altcoins to follow up in this thing, and that's the altcoin season. And then we're looking at actually the dip of the market, which is the bear market in 2026. I predict somewhere around that. And this is just a prediction, guys. Whatever we say here is not a financial advice. You need to do your due diligence, find more information
100%.
from different videos, and of course, don't forget to like, subscribe us, and put a comment and ask any question that you got, right? Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks, Karen. So there you go, guys. It's pretty much like, fluctuations do happen. Don't be scared. It's a little fluctuant. Fluctuates are good. That means the market is real. All right. You know what's going on. So don't be scared of a small fluctuations and fear and greed index. Go through the numbers. Check the graphs. You can see the years of long trends and make your addition on that. And as Callum said, there's good information in there. Have a look, do your due diligence, and we'll go from there. So anyway, so overall, what we're talking about, guys, let me talk about a little bit about where the RWA tokenization and RDM stands here. So as of today, or in this year, 2025, so the RWA tokenization came long way. So probably close to over 24 billion up in this year, right? With the Bitcoin rise and Ethereum rise. Obviously, it's around about 380% of in 3 years. That's a massive rise and a boom. So that's really good. That's really good indication where the real world asset tokenization is leading us. So at the moment, the global real estate value is $317 trillion, a billion, trillion, right? At the moment, maybe even is 1% of that is $31 trillion. Guys, you can see the piece of this, right? Even you grab a little bit of REM, you can see where this heading. All right, it's a massive factor. So by 2030, all the expert predict it will go up to 15%. You do the numbers. That's big numbers, guys. Some people can't even imagine that. And where's REM stand on this? Yes, we're in the middle of everything. We introduced property ownerships, rent vesting, fractional property ownerships, rent vesting, and also crypto to property access. That's what we keep saying. Crypto to property access, we're doing that. We started it. We're in the middle of it. So guys, REM here to ride the wave. And that we're not just a normal project like most of the projects in the RWA class. We are work with the most tangible and trusted asset class in the world, which is real estate. So with that, I think
I actually like to add something
go for
there,
it,
actually,
Callum.
Kaz.
Sorry, man.
Not only that, REM guys, as the CEO, I need to mention this. We have terrific partnerships with stakeholders. We do have real estate that back us up. We've got like more than 200 million property portfolio with REM. And of course, guys, we have legal teams backing us up. So basically, we are looking at legal development in our platforms, and of course proper partnerships with real estates that brings us unity and the power that we have. It's not just, I should say, guys, it's not just REM performing or something, or hypothetical situations that we're dealing with to pump up our token or our coin, but guys, we do have real world partnerships which you can figure out. If you go to our website, you can see our partnerships there, and you can see there's a lot of companies that join us to make this happen. It's not that we're just tokenizing our real estate. It's real estate in the world that is actually given work with us towards our partnerships and with partners. So is that correct, Kaz? Right? So
yeah, no, that's 100% right. That's where REM is. That's where I think that's probably one of the main factors that we build confidence within our community. That's one of the main factors of why community is building around us and why they're gathering. Obviously, why they're following us, why the engagement levels. The engagement level shows us the trust. That's I firmly believe that. And yeah, that's where REM guys, you guys, like I said again and again, like, subscribe, comment, ask what you guys want to do. We are here every day. You'll see we are very transparent. You'll see myself and Callum every day here in REM channel, Market Bus. Guys, subscribe again, follow us, comment what you want us to do, talk about in this show. All right, guys, I think with that, I think we call it a day. You guys have a great morning, great day. Enjoy the day, and we'll see you guys soon. See ya.
thank you.